Day 3 of WHX Labs 2026 brought focused scientific depth and specialised diagnostics to the forefront of the programme. The day featured CME-accredited conference sessions in molecular diagnostics and genomics and histopathology, alongside the AMR Leaders Summit, focusing on one of healthcare's most pressing challenges, antimicrobial resistance. WHX Labs also hosted the third edition of LabQ, a high-energy intercollegiate lab quiz competition for university and college students from across the Middle East. Workshops continued on day 3, adding practical depth to the proceedings. Pure Lab explored operational and clinical efficiency, while Sysmex presented smartly linked hemato-oncology solutions. Open to all attendees, the Technology and Innovation Spotlight featured sessions from DNA Technology and Medicover Diagnostic Services on molecular diagnostics and scalable genomic platforms. Sustainability remained an important theme on day 3, with discussions on building responsible, efficient and future-ready laboratories. At the 25 Years Lounge in the Recharge Plaza, attendees connected, reflected and celebrated a legacy built over 2 decades of laboratory excellence. The phone booth offered visitors a space to share their WHX Labs experience and connect directly with the wider community. Visitors were invited to record short messages, reflections and insights from the show floor.
It's such a good experience. We met new suppliers and we also met the suppliers with which we work every year. Yeah.
And we are excited to get to know more opportunities, meet new people.
With focus sessions, engaged discussion and strong community participation, Day 3 of WHX Labs delivered real depth and perspective to the week. One more day to go. See you tomorrow.